Hey everyone, so I figured it would just be easier to make a quick little video. I want to walk you through a little bit with the Mentor Seminar class. Your names are all added to it, so at this point you can go into your Mentor class and import the content. You'll be importing the content from a class called Mentor Class, so it should be pretty self-explanatory. So under the course documents here, you're going to see a bunch of different documents. Not everything on here is stuff that needs to be published for students to see. The syllabus, the Got Canvas, which is just an open discussion board for students to get help from each other for Canvas issues, are both things that they do need to see. However, the principal message, exit slip, goal setting worksheet, safety procedures. Safety procedures they do need to see. Are things that are there for you to use. Every other week there will be announcements in the class, so you'll be needing to go into the principal message announcement blog and pull the announcements from it. So that's why that link is there. They will be using an exit slip. If you choose to do the virtual sessions with them, that's why that is there for you as well. So when you go into week 1, week 2, so forth, week 1 is actually starting next week, which is why it says September 12th. That first week, everybody needs to do a virtual live lesson so we can help with any Canvas issues. Just as a suggestion, if there's anything you can't answer, write it down and we can come together as a staff and try to figure out those answers for our students. Then they're going to be doing these other parts for that week. From that point on, every other week will be just online. So week 2 is just a discussion for one attendance point and a Friday reflection for another attendance point. Week 3 is another big week. So every other week is a big week. So you'll have announcements and you'll either choose as the mentor teacher to do the virtual online session and have an exit slip, which is this first one here, the one with the lined paper. That'll give you the agenda of what the day needs to be. You can see right here it says complete an exit slip. If you do not want to do online sessions, if you prefer to go the route of just discussion boards, please do not publish that one. Only publish the discussion board. You'll just have to make sure that on the discussion board you've got all the announcements pulled from you'll see a line here that says announcements. However, you would actually need to replace that word announcements with the actual announcements for that week. So you'll have to go to the principal's blog and pull them from there. Hopefully that makes sense. Again, if you choose to do the discussion board path rather than the virtual sessions, you're going to not publish this one and only publish the discussion board. So however you choose to do it is yours. There is 1 week down here, I believe it's right before the holidays, where it says Mentor's Choice. There's nothing in there. You get to decide what you want to do. I probably will do something fun on campus with my group rather than doing it virtually. However, you get to do whatever you want. If you choose to go into any of these off-week discussion boards, not the Friday reflection will be the same every Friday. If you choose to go into the discussion boards, feel free to change the questions however you would like. We just put in suggestions. If you don't like the suggestions, feel free to change them up. So that is it. Please, by the end of the day, it's Wednesday, September 7th, go in and pull this course and publish everything. Make the decision whether you want to do virtual versus discussion boards after week 1. and get it up for your students because there's a lot of emails and calls coming in about the class right now. Thanks.